On the Boulevard Lowrider Videos presents
18th Annual Lolo Car Show Concert and Coaching Fest Spring Edition. Vamos!
Hey, what's up? It's Amber. You're watching On the Boulevard.
I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Yeah, coming in hot, just like the fajita. I write what I live, my life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow, just like the demeanor. I'm feeding my fam, I'm feeding the meter. They got the iron while I got the steamer. I bring the fire, but you never seen her. I testify, I don't need a subpoena. They want my soul, better go to Korea. I love my dog just like I'm Peter. Gotta protect him. I made the caller, but just like I'm reppin'. I know we left, yeah, now we back together, but I guess that is better now. Later than never, like, what's happening? I'ma need y'all quit asking when. Me and my wife gon' have some kids. Right now we just practicing. Teacher said quit rapping, man. That gon' hurt my average. I said thank God I ain't average. Yeah, I'm a bright young man. Kill the GPA and the BPM. Look, we on. So say what you say, cause that's A with Lecrae. From the A train to the A, I'm coming in hot. I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Coming in. Shoot that shot. Hey, why not? Hey, yo, I'm coming in.
Wake 'em up, wake 'em up. Wake 'em up, wake 'em up. See him still sleeping, so I had to shake 'em up. I kept it too real. I wasn't faking up. My real life was a headline. Your real life got a deadline. My timeline was a hashtag. Your timeline just a hate crime. Coming in hot, feeling like Pac. Back in 9-4 when he took 5 shots. Too much drive to ride your wave. Ditch my top and I'm off that lot. Black on black on black on black on black on black on black. You don't have to ball a rap to get them racks on racks. Uber poolers trying to catch my vibe and find my way. Yeah, I know I'm ratchet, but I'm really safe. Hot sauce dripping. Everybody wanna start dipping. First nobody wanna listen. Now everybody pay attention. Now everybody pay a fee. Even Trump gotta take a knee. When the horn blow, y'all gon' see. Make the wall fall down like yee. I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot the shot. I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot, coming in hot. Shoot that shot, shoot that shot. Shoot, why not? Hey, why not? Ain't no big. Feel like Pac, We can't lose, we can't stop. Yeah, coming in hot. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Shoot that shot. Hey, why not? Hey, why not? Hey, watch out.
You know I'm a wanted man, for reasons you won't understand. Prices on my head, feel like 100 grand, cause I'm on the dead or alive.
You would've thought I was whipping and pushing and selling this dope. The way that they tell me to get out of town and they aim for the throat. They trying to ghost your boy, they pulling the gun out the holster. But I'm doing me like I'm posted, yeah. You're smart, out here like the Wild Wild West. Shorty right there with the wild wild dress. They tell her you could be more and show less. Hold up, I've been around the block a few times. I got a new mind, I'm lit. Man, I was sleeping on futons, bread small as croutons. Now my business legit. But how many beats do I got to poop on to prove I'm not a fluke? I want truth, a true sign of growth. When you find ways to refine yourself, you win when you lose. Hey, seem like every team done got a Judas, but I don't care. Give me a snake and I'll make a nice pair of boots with, yeah. I ain't tryna be liked, man, I'm tryna be a light, bang. I ain't tryna make a living, man, I'm tryna make a light, bang. Hey, yo, that's way different. Nowadays I pray different. Used to ask for more blessings, now I thank him for the ones he given,
You know I'm a wanted man, for reasons you won't understand. Prices on my head, feel like 100 grand. Now they want me dead or alive, bang. They gunning for me now, hey. They got their weapons drawn, but they say get out of town. Cause I'm on the dead or alive.
Yeah, how do you terrify a man that is scared to die? So when I got a mic, I'ma air the lies that paralyze my people. I live by the fear of God. I'm sick and tired of songs that don't dignify our ladies, but baby, we giving them power. The moment you go out and buy it and give them your dollars. Why they try to define us? By how many commas we got, they don't know what's inside us. But let me be honest, there's something be honest. Your homie preach, I gotta speak on my piece. Man, I can't keep it a secret. The only way that you get acceptance is when you know you don't need it, yeah. Freedom is a mindset, and I ain't in my prime yet. Minor league of 116, yeah, that my folk I grind with. I think about all that time spent way before success. If you see the kids shining, that's the glimmer from the sweat. Get up and go, homie, we live by the code. We don't got minutes to blow, time is more precious than gold. Shut with the flow, mix it with lyrics that fix up your soul. Oh, I ain't trying to be liked, man, I'm trying to be a light. Bang. I ain't trying to make a living, man, I'm trying to make a life. Alright, now we some desperados. We are living by the motto. You know, if I die tonight, man, I'm ready for tomorrow. Let's go. They say get out of town, the truth won't let me lie. What else? They gun it for me now. Alright, and everywhere I go, let's roll it dead or alive. I'm on it, dead or alive. I'm on it, dead or alive. I'm on it. Everywhere I go, dead or alive. I'm on it, dead or alive. I'm on it, dead or alive. I'm on it.
You know I'm a wanted man, for reasons you won't understand. Prices on my head, feel like 100 grand. Now they want me dead or alive. Pain, they gunning for me now. Pain, they got their weapons drawn. Pain, they say get out of town. Cause I'm on the dead or alive. Pain.
Can't stop, won't stop. Where the bricks at? I give him that ditty bop. Like take that, take that, take that, take that. I'ma put in work, I'ma do that ASAP. Throw my faith in rap, but they say don't say that, huh? What I'ma turn down for? I feel like Shaq in 9-4, breaking glass in that backboard. I like Kobe and Toronto, huh? Dropping 81, yo, I dropped an 88. Ricky Bobby, shake and bake, sleeping on it, should've stayed awake, huh? Everybody make mistakes like VJs. Tryna say my name, it's Minio. Say it with me, Minio. Okay, great, 2 forks high, raise the stakes. Risk it all, I take the hate. This the winning team, get the Gatorade. My guy good, but he's not safe, nah.
They try to shut us down and it ain't gon' slide. Only thing I fear is God and he on my side. That's the confidence I got, cause he got me. That's why I really feel like you can't stop me.
That's all you got. Come on with it. That's all you got. You can't stop me. You don't got the power. Shut me down. That's not an option. I'm my biggest problem. You don't got the power. Shut me down. That's not an option. You can't stop me.
You're my biggest opponent. You know me, I know you, we know it. Whenever I fail, you always been there to simply remind me I've blown it. You don't see when I'm growing. You don't see where I'm going. You only see in the moment. You know I'm on stage. You never let go it. Don't cease to amaze me, and it drive me crazy. Did you catch every detail that I missed in the songs I'm making? Saying you will never write a verse like Kendrick, never be the rapper I got from Hendrix. Top 10 alive, you will never be mentioned. Why aim so high, won't survive the trenches. Plus, you a Christian, Andy. They will never listen, Andy. Plus, when you're pigment, Andy. You don't got skill, you a gimmick, Andy. Well, if I listen to you and everything you put in my ear, I'll be living like woulda, shoulda, coulda. I'll be paralyzed by fear. Ain't that the truth? If I quit, the only way I lose. I got 2 choices when I do this: make moves or make excuses. If you know who I'm talking about, then you got me. My biggest enemy is me, and even I can't stop me. They try to shut us down and it ain't gon' slide. Only thing I fear is God and he on my side. That's the confidence I got, cause he got me. That's why I really feel like you can't stop me.
That's all you got. Come on with it. That's all you got. You can't stop me. You don't got the power. Shut me down. That's not an option. I'm my
if I cannot stop me, then you'll never stop me. Oh no, can't stop, oh no, won't stop. I said if I cannot stop me, then you'll never stop me. Oh no, can't stop, oh no, won't stop. I said if I cannot stop me, then you'll never stop me. Oh no, you can't stop me. That's all you got. Come on with it. That's all you got. You can't stop me. You don't got the power. Shut me down. That's not an option. I'm my biggest problem. You don't got the power. Shut me down. That's not an option. You can't stop me. If you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. I'm ready. Yeah, y'all ready? Look, if you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. I'm ready. Look, y'all ready, I'm ready, y'all ready. I go for that, I get it. Came in this game and you cray on a mission that fountain blue. That's club lit, but I ain't seen too many y'all living. Seem like everybody tryna fit it. Living that life like a highlight reel. That ain't real. They ain't tell you about the sweat they spill. How they got no chill just to get it. I'm living the high life. Yeah. High art for the most high. My wife in them high heels. Ooh, high five. That's nice. You know that's right. And now I got fans, I got family. I'm on my chief keep, y'all understand me, squad. There's nothing left to say. I know where I'm going. We're starting here today. And you know that right. You know that's right. You know that's right. Yeah. You know that's right. Yeah. You know that's right. Yeah. My savior is Jewish, my lawyer is Jewish, my stomach is Buddhist. I'm trying to lose it, but I need to chill on fig Newtons. I swear I don't sweat the money, only the music. Now I got the juice and my words got influence. That's power to use it, and I don't want the blood. First off, rap lied to us. Y'all ain't figured that yet? They got the whole world tryna ball out. Ball so hard, but you still got that. I don't respect anybody that's trying to flex. Y'all looking the weakest. Cause I was with a billionaire last week and the boy had Pele sneakers on. My homegirl started stripping. I said, chill, get your degree. She told me, Andy, you tripping, cause you don't make more money than me. Well, you know that's right, but some money always come with a price. I love this life, but I'm sure what I got next to die for, yeah. There's nothing left to say.